Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about a very fun CSS property, the border radius property. Border radius is a great way to add a unique touch to your website, and it's super easy to use. So what is border radius? Well, simply put, it allows you to round the corners of an element. The border radius property takes a value in pixels or percentages, which determines how rounded the corners of the element will be. Let's get started. Following along from the previous video, we should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add the code to your index.html file. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add a heading and 3 short paragraphs. Call this h1, border radius. And for the first paragraph, let's say this paragraph has a normal border. Second paragraph, this paragraph has a slightly rounded border. And for the third paragraph, say this paragraph has a very round border. And let's give each of these different IDs. First ID, normal border. Second ID, rounded border. Third ID, very round border. Now over in the styles.css file, let's clear out the styles from the previous video. Let's start by giving all paragraphs a text color of yellow, background color of green. Let's add some margin as well. Say margin right, 75%. First paragraph with the normal border ID. Let's give it a border of 10 pixels, solid blue. It's a similar effect as the previous video if you watched it on borders. Now for the rounded border, let's also give it a border of 10 pixels, solid blue, and give it a border radius of 10 pixels. And for the very round border, let's again give it a border of 10 pixels, solid and blue, but this time for the border radius, let's give it 50%. Another cool thing about the border radius property is that you can set different values for each corner. This allows you to create shapes like ovals, capsules, or even triangles. You can also set the value to 0 to create a sharp corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.